Hello, and welcome back to our Scrum Study course on a guide to the Scrum body of knowledge. We are in Module 5 of Change, where we have just finished learning about syntegrating change in Scrum and how change requests are assessed and approved, and in this session, we are going to learn the impact of changes at the program and portfolio levels using Scrum Framework. Any change that arises in either the programs or portfolios may have a cascading effect on all dependent projects and sprints. Therefore, it is advisable to minimize changes at these higher levels. If a change is required and all stakeholders are in agreement to make the change at these levels, the following should be kept in mind. In portfolio, it is not recommended to make changes in between two portfolio backlog meetings. If the change is minor, the portfolio product owner should secure approval from the relevant stakeholders and then add the requirements to the portfolio backlog. Product owners of the program and project will consider those requirements for inclusion in future sprints. If the change is major, the portfolio efforts, along with the associated programs, projects, and sprints need to stop, and a portfolio backlog meeting should be conducted to determine next steps. In program, it is not recommended to make changes in between two program backlog meetings. If the change is minor, the program product owner should secure approval from the relevant stakeholders and the portfolio product owner, and then add the requirements to the program backlog. Product owners for the project will consider those requirements for inclusion in future sprints. If the change is major, the program effort along with associated projects and sprints need to stop, and a program prioritized product backlog meeting should be conducted to determine next steps. Program prioritized product backlog meetings should preferably be conducted at 2 to 6 month intervals. This brings us to the end of our session on the change. I look forward to seeing you in our session on other chapters of the SBOK. Until then, goodbye, and thank you for learning with us.